Hi guys, it's Thalia and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my 5-minute makeup look, like if I'm running errands or doing anything like that. In particular, I like to be quick with my makeup and kind of like on the go, like get out the door. Doesn't take me that long, maybe 5 minutes and less. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Thalia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below if you like. And that is pretty much it, guys. So let's just get started with the video, shall we? For foundation, I'm going to be using my It Cosmetic CC Full Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum. I like this foundation because it's so easy to blend and it's not full coverage. I do want like a lightweight coverage, so I love using this foundation. It's in shade Light. And I'm kind of like putting dots all over my face just to be quick. Take my beauty sponge and just like blend that in. I really like this foundation because it's very lightweight and it just feels like a BB cream, and that's what I really like about this foundation. So I'm just blending that in. Sorry if I'm looking this way, it's just I have my mirror right here, so I just need to check myself. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer. I love this concealer, and this is the shade Fair Beige. And I'm gonna do like 3 lines, my nose and my chin area, forehead just a little bit. Go ahead and just blend that in. Really like this concealer because it doesn't take that long to blend in. Other concealers that are kind of like very matte concealer, it takes a while to blend in the concealer, and it's kind of like difficult to press it into my skin. This one's so easy, so smooth, and it just blends so quickly. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the loose finishing powder, and this one is Fair to Light. It's so good and very affordable translucent powder, and I just love how this kind of sets my under eyes. Just kind of set my concealer, because if I don't set it, it will crease like crazy. I'm just gonna focus mainly on the areas where it kind of creased, like around my mouth area, my nose, because this is where it gets pretty intense. Go ahead and remove that powder that I apply under my under eye and take my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I really love this bronzer so much. It's so nice, the tone of it. I'm going to apply this like in my forehead area. Just want it to be a little bronzy. It doesn't have to be that perfect, but I like to apply it all over my forehead area. Blush, I'm gonna go in with my Innocent Satin Touch Blush, and this one is Satin Coral. Applies to my cheekbone area, just so it can stand out a little. I've been breaking out lately, guys. Look at that. Crazy. I tried this new skincare product and honestly I am not loving it. So for eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with my NYX micro brow pencil, the shade Expresso. I'm not gonna put the effort doing my eyebrows. I just want to be like quick, so mainly you can use like a brow gel, but I'm just gonna fill in just kind of like the strokes, kind of like that. I'm just gonna like leave it like natural eyebrows, like carve it and all that. I just want it to be very natural, and kind of do like the same thing on this side of my eyebrows. Innocence lip liner, and this one is the shade 11 and Nude. Look how tiny it is. I use this like almost every day, guys. I'm gonna go with a really natural like lip color. So I'm gonna go in with my Innocence lip gloss, and this one is Nude Candy. for mascara, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. So this is the 5-minute makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.